Resident hand over illegal firearm to cops. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Crossroad Police are investigating the seizure of a firearm on Retirement Road, Kingston 5 on April the 4th. Reports are that around 3:15 p.m. a team of police officers were on patrol when they were informed that a resident found a firearm on Retirement Road. On the arrival of the police, one Glock 19 semi-automatic pistol and one magazine were handed over to them. The investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.